Hi everyone, myself Pruthvi. Today welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to demonstrate and how I'm going to give a quick insight and tutorial about uh, BigQuery. So BigQuery is one of the very important tool where the GCP services is going to offer a very good differentiation in terms of Google providers like AWS and Azure and all. So Google stands in a different way in terms of these BigQuery services. So what is this BigQuery and all? So BigQuery is a Google Enterprise Data Warehouse where it's going to help and improvise the business intelligence and the AI and artificial intelligence and machine learning kind of a things where it's going to give a quick insight for the real time streaming data like live real time data, and you can able to run a script in run a query script in the data, and we can able to visualize the data and how the business is performing. That and all business intelligence kind of a thing which where you can do in BigQuery. So let's get started with the BigQuery. So first we have to uh, go to this BigQuery. So in the search bar you can able to type and BigQuery, and there you can able to navigate to this page actually. So once you landed up in this page, so you have to go for this project. So this is the project where you are creating a data set. So you create a data set here. So data set is a must for to run a script. So so this is the data set id which I am giving. So and the location, you have to select the location where you want to deploy your data set. So that is left to you. So BigQuery is a serverless platform. So where it's going to give where the BigQuery is giving where to select US West 4 I am selecting. So on the also you can able to select table expiration time. So once after it reaches this time, it is going to expire. So why this is gonna done is that for to minimize the cost. So that's the reason people are doing this. Okay. So I'm giving 0.05. It's almost 2 hours might be. So it's going to create a data set. Once it reaches this point, it's going to automatically delete it. Okay. So create a data set. Once we create data set, so this is the data set it is created. So inside this data set you can able to create multiple tables. Okay. So create a table. So and the source, how to upload a data actually here. So there are the different where uh, BigQuery is offering the source. So where you can create an empty table and where you can copy paste as a text, and you can able to select cloud storage, or you can upload from your local laptop or local PC, or the drive, Google Drive and the Google Bigtable, S3 bucket and Azure Blob. So my CSV file is located in Google storage. So where let me select the file where it is been stored actually. So this is the bucket. So so this is the CSV file, air traffic passenger statistics, where I'm selecting this. So and this is the format, it is automatically detected actually. So and you have to give the name of it. So I'm giving my name itself. So and the table type, it is automatically selected, it's a native table actually. We are uploading a CSV file and select a schema. So let us select it as an auto detect. It's automatically detect what is the schema of the file which we uploaded. So and it's going to give a visualize and give a very good picture insights in terms of our data. So let us click on create table, or you can very important thing. So where you can also set an expiration time and all. So let us not go on to dig down into that in this video. So now the table is created actually. So let us see. So this is the schema where which we are looking. So the CSV file what we uploaded. So this is the schema which is auto detected. So based on that it is been appearing here. So where you can see whether it is an integer, whether it's a string. So it is automatically detected. Okay. So after that go for the details where you can able to see the detail section. So what is the number of rows which is been there in this CSV file is 24,967. So the total size of this file is 2.8 MB. So where you can see all these things here. Okay, after that go for preview. It's going to, okay, actually the preview should come actually. So I don't know what internal error is encountered. I don't know. So let's see, let us run some queries actually here. So after that, let us refresh this page and let us see whether that error is goes off or not. Run some queries. Actually, this is a query. So in the query section, so if you are a guy who is coming from MySQL background and all, so you will going to get be very easy, and you could able to get pick up in this BigQuery. You can work very easily. So this is a query which I am running. So you can able to see. So this query is going to process 2.8 MB uh, of of the file. So where it's going to run a 2.8 MB. So when you click on run, so it's going to give a data. So for from this table, and the limit is 1000. So since we are having 24,000 rows, it's going, we are limiting 4,000 itself. So we are limiting 1000 where you can see. So once we run this query, so we could able to get this data in the results. So rather than running a default script, let us run another different queries here. So this is the query which I am running. So they'll select from this table, from this data set and the table. So where operating airline is Emir flight. Okay, so this is the only I want to visualize only this airline. So I don't want other airlines should be appeared here. So we have to visualize, I have to visualize only this actually. So once when I run the script, so you could able to see only 22 is available, only 22 airlines are there. So from this operating airline. Okay, so once after completion of this query, let us run different query. We like average or the count how many passengers are traveling in this airline per day. So like that we can able to run. So this is the third query which we are running. So we are taking an average passenger count, so which is traveling in this airline. Okay, so the average passenger count which is been traveling in this airline is gonna be almost 4.98. It's almost 5. So this is the intelligence. This is how the BigQuery is going to aggregate these MySQL queries, and it's going to give an output in a very good fashion. And you can able to see the execution time also. So so the output is in 34 seconds, compute is 4 seconds, and write. So these are where you can able to see that it is very quickly it's going to give an output for us actually. So let us run another query like a count query. So it's going to sum how many passenger is traveled in this airline. So it's going to give that output for us. So when you click on run, it's going to give how many passenger is been traveled in Ameri flight. Okay, so almost 22 passenger is traveled in Ameri flight. So this is all about this video, guys. So I think you got a very good insights about how the BigQuery is gonna work. So and you got a very good understanding how to create and how to load, how to create a data set, how to create a table, and how to load the data into the uh, table, and how to run some queries and all. I think you got a better understanding about how the BigQuery is going to be working, and how you can use this BigQuery for your business purposes, and for any kind of an questions, please comment below in the YouTube video, so that I will going to answer if you find, if you are having any doubt in terms of GCP and all. So there is some problem occurred, so internal error encountered. So I don't know what has usually went wrong. Usually this problem is not gonna come. Usually it is going to visualize like this. It's going to it's going to give the full visualization. So actually that's the reason. I don't know what went wrong here. Usually this is the preview will come like an Excel file kind of a thing. Preview will come. So that's the one thing. Other than that, nothing else. So this is all about this video, guys. Thank you all. Bye bye. Do like and subscribe to my channel.